The case our group decided to concentrate on focused on an American officer who suffered harsh brain injuries while being held as a captive. He experienced long-term side effects from this, specifically seizures. 2 surgeons performed a procedure on his corpus callosum that was believed to reduce his seizure activity. The surgery was a success and provided no side effects. Meanwhile, a scientist named Roger Sperry was conducting various experiments to determine more about the corpus callosum. He performed a similar procedure that was done to the American officer. It involved slicing through bundles of fibers in the corpus callosum, making them split-brained. The normal brain biology of the corpus callosum is seen in these 2 diagrams. It is found in the middle of the brain and connects the right and left hemispheres. It is made from the green commissural fibers. A normal corpus callosum helps the right brain process information received from the left brain and vice versa.
So here in this slide, you can see how the brain was separated during the surgery. By splitting the green fibers of the corpus callosum, the contralaterality of the brain was disrupted and the hemispheres were split. In this picture, you can see that a cutting device was used to cut with a mid-sagittal cut through the corpus callosum, completely removing the contralateral abilities of the brain. After the surgery was done, there were many tests done on the patient, testing his contralateral abilities, and it was found that if he saw something flash to the left side of his brain, he would say that he did not see anything, but he would tap his finger, signifying that he saw something.
It was found that in the case of split-brain patients, they failed any tests that needed information to be shared between the right and left brain. AKA, if the patients severed their corpus callosum, their right and left hemispheres remained isolated. This case also helped determine the different roles of each hemisphere. Previously, scientists considered the left brain to be superior in handling tasks. However, after this case, it was found that the right brain is actually more skilled in specific areas. The right brain recognized faces better, did a better job at spatial tasks like being able to rotate an object mentally or read a map, and outgambled the left brain. On the other hand, the 2 hemispheres are complementary. One is dominant, but they still help one another complete tasks. It was found that emotions were shared in split-brain people. Since they could not cross the corpus callosum, they took a path through the temporal lobe. First, the right brain would detect the emotion, then the left would. However, the left brain could not see what caused the emotion, and therefore the brain would have to make up another reason for which they believed. This also told neuroscientists that the emotion came before the explanation, instead of their previous notion of cause and effect. Therefore, the corpus callosum isn't necessarily needed to carry out one's daily life. However, the individual will face a lot of obstacles that cause difficulty in processing a number of daily factors.